When you're ready to apply, go to extern.com and on our homepage in the upper right-hand corner, select the Start Today icon. From there, you will land on our application page. You can either sign up with an email or Google account. Our pro tip to you is to use your personal email rather than your university or college email, typically because college or university emails are deleted a few years after you graduate. After account creation, you will answer some questions that help us understand your background, goals, and working style. This step only takes a few minutes and you'll submit once complete. Once submitted, you'll see a confirmation page. Then the selection process will proceed. Typically, you'll receive next steps pretty quickly via email, which will include onboarding, program schedule, access to the program. Finally, you'll complete your externship project, submit deliverables, present if required, and gain your recognition and award. We'll cover proof of externship in another video. Thanks for watching this tutorial. You now know a little bit about Extern, how to apply, and you understand who qualifies. Next up, you might prepare your resume, LinkedIn profile, your portfolio or skills, and we'll have a video on how to showcase your externship. See you in the next video.